Welcome to the Food Flamingo. In today's video, we're going to be making this delicious, rich, fudgy, flourless chocolate cake. This recipe is gluten-free and is made with the simplest ingredients that are easily accessible. The first thing that we're going to do is chop up the chocolate. I'm using dark chocolate, but you can also use milk chocolate. Just make sure to reduce the amount of sugar in this recipe by 1/4 cup. We're going to melt the chopped chocolate and butter in a double boiler. Make sure that the bowl is not touching the hot water in the pot. This could burn the chocolate. Stir occasionally until both of them are melted and well incorporated. Take this off the double boiler and sift in the cocoa powder. Add in your granulated sugar, coffee powder, and salt. Now we're going to mix this until it's fully incorporated. Alright, now it's time for the eggs. We're going to add in 4 eggs one at a time, mixing well between each addition. This will take some time, but just be patient and make sure that you mix your egg well. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button and comment down below if you tried this recipe and how you liked it. Alright, our batter is ready, and now we're going to pour it into an 8-inch pan that is lined with parchment paper and bake this for about 22 to 25 minutes. You'll know it's done when the sides are set and the center has risen slightly. Let this cool completely before transferring onto your cake tray. We're going to dust this with cocoa powder to finish it off. You can also use powdered sugar, chocolate ganache, fresh berries, or you can eat it as is. That's it. Slice and enjoy.